Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel ABCS Preparation Site. So guys, today I bring a material for the TOEFL practice test. So I'll tell you the information regarding the website where you can practice the TOEFL test. They provide the entire test freely and you can practice their question so that you will be comfortable for giving the actual exam. So around 10 websites are there where you can find this practice test totally free. So I will tell you the entire information regarding the website and how you can practice these tests on their website. We'll move on to the content. Before that, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the update of any upcoming video. So we'll move on to the content. One by one, I will tell you the entire website information. So the first one is the ETS TOEFL. Here the ETS also provided the free practice test where you can comfortable for the questions which are totally similar for the actual exam. Here TOEFL IBT free practice test. So you can click on it, launch the TOEFL IBT free practice test and start to practice. See here reading practice test, listening practice test, speaking and writing. These four all are available separately also, or you can give a single test continuously for all four sections. So we'll move on to the next one. Before that, I have one thing for you. Please watch this video up to the last minute, because at the last of this video I have something special for you, for especially the TOEFL practice. So watch this video up to the last minute so that you will not miss that opportunity. So we'll move on to the next website. Our next website is here testden.com. First you have to register, put your name and email address and select your citizenship country and click on start now. After putting all this information, you will directly move on to the page where you can practice the test. So this is our second one. Now move on to the third one. Third one is our Magus. See here TOEFL sample test from the Magus. See here the Magus free TOEFL practice test where you can start to practice. See, this one is the reading question first and read this and select the answer and practice. Up to 64 questions are available under the reading section. Then you can move on to the listening and similarly for others. Next one is Manhattan Review. So Manhattan website also provide the practice test freely. See here TOEFL free practice test, $0. Click on it and start to practice. See here after clicking on it, this page will be open. Put your information, then they will send you a code through the email. So after getting that code, you can start to practice for the tests. So we'll move on to the next one. Our next one is the 4tests.com. See here also the practice test available. Listening part A, part B, part C and reading and structure. Structure containing the all four section into the one. Click on the start exam and start to practice. Or see here, take another free. Another one is also freely available. So click on it and start to practice another one. So now our next website is bestmytest.com. See, you will get the sample test for all four sections and they will provide the score for all this, and there are also 20 tests are available. You can avail these tests if you register on this website. So register website and you will get the 7-day trial where you can practice all these tests. I think 7 days are enough to practice all these tests to freely, and if you continue then you can take a membership also. So for starting, see here, click on it. So here create account, start test and start test without account. So start test, click on it. See here the entire pattern is based on the official one and it is an effective one also. So I think this is the best for you to practice. And see here practice test 2, practice test 3 and 4 all are locked. For this you have to try it free. See here you will get the 7-day trial. So click on it, register here and start the 7-day trial and practice these all contents. You will get also TOEFL lesson, vocabulary, questions, then progress analysis, everything you will get here on this website. So you can continue by this. So we'll move on to the next website. Our next website is graduatesoutline.com. Here from here you can start. This is a paragraph and these are the questions based on paragraph. See here, and click on score. And remaining practice tests are here. Test 2, test 3, test 4, test 5. So click one by one and start to practice all this content. You can download the PDF for this TOEFL test also, where answer is included, so that you can review your performance and get the score. So we'll move on to the next website. Our next website is galvanizedtestpreparation.com. Here you can get the free practice test. See here, free practice test. Click on start now, then put your information here, then submit it and start to practice for it. They will send you a code to access the test for the TOEFL. Next website is, see here, you will get reading practice test 1, practice 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Similarly, the structure practice 1, 2, 3, 4. You can continue all this practice material. So our next one is examenglish.com. Here you can find, here, click here for the free practice test. Click on this and start for practice. For listening, click here. For example, if you want to do a reading, click. Then after clicking here, you will get the passage. So you will get the question relevant to all this. Select all these and check your score and practice. I think the much more you practice, the much best you will score on the exam, and that is a good option for you to do better on the final exam. So I hope all this website will be helpful for you to practice for the TOEFL test, and the website for all this website I will provide on the description part, so don't worry about all this. And the last thing I told before that, I will give you something material that will be best for you to practice. So if you watch up to now, I have something for you, that is a 4th edition ETS TOEFL software that you can install on the laptop and practice for the test, actual test. And that one is the ETS one, official one. I will provide you, but for that you have to be comment below down and tell which version laptop are you using, I mean Mac or Windows, and put your email address below down if you need this software. After that I will email you the all content and you will practice. For now, this was only for today. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the update of any upcoming video. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and share this video to your friend circle and other needed person. So we'll meet on the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care and have a good day, and thank you so much for watching our video.